What if I told you that making your first $10,000 as a student in 2026 has nothing to do with luck and everything to do with how you think? Because right now, there are students your age, no rich parents, no connections, and they're already making money online. So the question is not, is it possible? The real question is, why not you? Let's be honest. Being a student today is different. You're juggling classes, pressure, expectations, and sometimes financial stress. And the system, it teaches you how to pass exams, but not how to make money. So you graduate with knowledge, but no income skills. That's the problem. But here's the good news. 2026 is the best time in history to start making money. Why? Because of one thing. The internet. You don't need a degree to earn. You need skills, consistency, and strategy. And I'm going to break it down into 5 simple rules. Rule 1, stop trying to get rich fast. This is where most students fail. They want quick money, easy success, overnight results. But that mindset keeps you broke. Because instead of building something real, you jump from idea to idea. Today, drop shipping. Tomorrow, crypto. Next week, something else. No focus, no results. Here's the truth. Your first $10,000 is not about speed. It's about skill. So instead of chasing money, focus on becoming valuable. Rule 2. Learn a high-income skill. If you want to make money, you need a skill people are willing to pay for. Simple. Here are some of the best skills in 2026. Video editing, copywriting, social media management, graphic design, coding. You don't need all of them. Pick one and go deep, because one strong skill can make you your first $1,000, then $5,000, then $10,000. And here's the advantage you have as a student. Time. You can learn faster than anyone, so use it. Rule 3. Start before you're ready. Most people wait. I'll start when I'm better. I'll start when I'm ready. But here's the truth. You will never feel ready. Confidence doesn't come first. Action does. So start messy. Start small. Start with 0 experience. Because every expert you admire started exactly like you. Rule 4. Monetize fast. This is where you turn skill into money. And it's simpler than you think. You don't need a big business. You just need one client. Start with freelancing. Offer your skill to small businesses, creators, startups. Even if you work for cheap at first, you're building experience. Then, get results, build proof, raise your price. That's how you grow. Your first $10,000 won't come from one big win. It comes from many small wins. Rule 5. Think long term. Most people quit too early. They try for 1 week, 2 weeks, maybe 1 month, then stop. But success doesn't work like that. It rewards consistency. If you stay focused for 6 to 12 months, your life can completely change. And once you hit your first $10,000, everything shifts. You gain confidence, experience, momentum. And now, making money becomes repeatable. So let's recap. To make your first $10,000 as a student, stop chasing quick money. Learn a valuable skill. Start before you're ready. Get your first client. Stay consistent. That's it. Simple. Not easy, but simple. If you're serious about making money as a student, don't just watch this video. Apply it, because information alone doesn't change your life. Action does. And if you want more content about money, skills, and building real income, make sure you subscribe, because the next video might be the one that makes you your first $1,000.